Here a little quick look on my Leatherman Crunch, and I modified it so it's really handy for photographer to have in your bag. It's really small, compact, easy to use, and I show you what I've done, why it's really easy to use as a photographer. A quick overview. It has really basic tools in it. It's really compact, so there's a knife and some flathead screwdrivers and then cross screwdriver, Phillips, and a file, and that's it. And it locks in place, so that's really handy and nice. It's a bit of a origami one, so you have to fold it really careful to get it open and close if you want to use it like this. But you can get used to it. There is a screw to adjust the angle the beak opens, and if you adjust it right, you can clamp it onto many flat or round surfaces. It's until half inch, so that's really nice, and it's really sturdy. The back screw you can take off, and if you take it off, there is takes a while, but you get used to it. Place for normal bits for your screwdriver or whatever, but I found out it's 1/4 of an inch thread, so I made mine from a big bolt, and which I put some other parts from an old little tripod on, and a bolt, so it works really fine. The knife even has a dent in it from the start, so you can still use it. It's not in the way at all, and it folds like normal. But the cool thing is that you now have a tripod thread. You can, of course, put a ball head on it or anything, but then it's getting bulky again, and it's more for situations that you really need a tripod and you don't have it. But I can show you. Look, there's a ball head on it, and that takes away the compactness of the whole thing. So I leave that most of the time at home. Well, this is my almost of a whole kilo of camera with in this case, a quite light 50mm lens, but it's really sturdy. I trust this clamp with my camera, so I can clamp it on a fence or a traffic sign, or you can think of many situations that you thought, oh, just I wish I had my tripod with me, and this is an easy way, and it's all really nice to have some tools with you as well. So it's really easy for lots of ways. And I have a Ricoh GR, and then it's a really compact setup to carry around, use all the time, everywhere. And I also have a 360 camera, and I just put it on there and cycle around, drive around with my car on it, and I'm not afraid that it will fall off. It's it's just compact, easy solution, and I'm really happy with it. Here are some things with the Ricoh GR and the 360 camera on my bike with the Leatherman Crunch, and you see it's sitting there with no problem at all. Here I put it on the towing thing of my car and go drive around, and it stays put. It's really nice. Never lost it, and I'm really happy with it. Maybe you can use this to make your own, and Otherwise, I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.